Hi guys, so I am here now in my computer or in my computer screen. Let's go ahead and type in Google AdSense. We just have to log into our accounts and we'll take it from there. So we just have to sign in, your account, your password. In this video, what I am going to discuss is how to change first your money or how to change your threshold. Okay, from 100, because that's the minimum. It's $100, that's the minimum threshold. Sorry for the dog. Once I talk, they're barking, but if I'm not talking, then they're just they're just quiet. Anyway, let's go in. So on the left side, you can see here Google AdSense. There's home, ads, sites, black and controls, reports, payments, account, and feedback. To change your threshold, you will go to payments. So in this page, you got your earnings here, paid monthly, and as whatever amount you desired. For me, I changed mine to $120. It will tell you the percentage of threshold, how far you are from the threshold. Like blue lines here and then the gray, and that's where the period that you need to work your ass off. Okay, and your last payment was such and such. Okay, and then we're gonna move forward. Here, transactions, all the dates here. Normally it's just 3 months that it will show. You can see all the information if you click view transactions. This one on the right side here is how you want to get paid, right? Is it through bank, Western Union? So I will not gonna tackle over here, that's very personal. And then over here is the setting. I have my name over here in the settings. For your information, when it's blue, light blue, it is clickable when it's blue. For changing the threshold, you go to manage settings. Manage setting. We're not gonna bother about this notice over here on top. I will just go directly here. Payments account, you have your ID, you have payments account nickname if you want to nickname your whatever you want to call it. And then you have your payment schedule if it's monthly, annually, or whatever you want. Okay, so to change, you just go directly here. Okay, and there is that icon like a pencil. It's in gray color, and if you like swivel or hover if you hover it, and it will tell you the payment schedule can't be changed, but you can apply a self-hold to prevent payout. Okay, changes have been made before the payout processing date to affect this month's payment cycle. So it means changes have been made before the payout processing date to affect this month's payment cycle. I think for a cutoff, it should be at the end of the month. So if you want to make a change for your next pay, because it's always like a 30-day cycle, if you want to make a change, okay, do the last minute, or if you want it at the well, sometimes there's some things that's happening on your channel or your YouTube channel that your revenue is getting up, you want to hold it, or you want, probably you're excited, you want to have a payout. So at the end of that day, before the day ends, if you want to make change, do it. Okay, before I would go into my experience, I'm just gonna show you how you are going to change the threshold. So minimum threshold, again, it is $100. You click this icon right here, which is the gray pencil. You click it, and then it will give you all this detail. You have how you're paid monthly, okay, and the next one is edit the fields below to adjust your payment threshold or schedule. Okay, so over here I made it to $120 instead of 100, and there is, I think there is a cutoff or maximum amount. I just don't know because I am a small YouTuber and I only make minimum payout. Here there's an icon again, and it says you can set a minimum threshold that will prevent payments from being sent out. The amount must be at least the default payment threshold in your local currency. Okay, so mine is in dollars. When I set up my account, I was living in America, so mine is US dollars. I think it's also common to everybody, I think, if I'm right. Okay, and how you're paid monthly here, I think it can do it, right? Yeah, here, schedule my payout max 1 year optional. Okay, so it depends on you how you want it. Do you want it every 3 months, every 4 months, or quarterly, or semi-annually? Depends on whatever it is. Just choose whatever date you want. Okay, so my only thing here is just the threshold. Okay, and yeah, reset to default if you want to set the default here, what what day. So YouTube's cutoff is at 30th. Okay, so I think YouTube will send payment to Google at the end of the month, then Google process it right there, and then it will reflect on your Google AdSense account or payments by the 11th, I believe so, or between, let's say, 11 to the 15th of every month. For Google to pay or to transfer your money to a specific like your account, your bank account, or whatever mode of transaction or mode of payment that you chose, transaction payout will be every 25th of the month. With mine, it's very consistent that I get mine at the 11th day of each month. And then my payment, I receive it every 25th, the actual payment, which is transferred to my US bank account. Now, with my experience, this September I have a changeable mind. Before YouTube transferred the payment to Google AdSense, I changed my threshold to, I think, $200. Okay, let's just do it like, let's say like $200 by August. Okay, before the month end, so it was August. And then by the week of September, okay, so I changed it to 180, guys. Okay, so it was by the first week. Okay, it was 180, and then I said, nah, maybe it's too much, 180. Maybe I will not be able to make it this year, something like that. I want to have another payout or something. So I said, maybe I'll switch to 120. I think it was September 10 when I did the change, and lo and behold, I got a payout right away in my bank account. Google sent me an email, and then I got a confirmation that I gotta pay from Google on the 11th. Just to let you know that I'm not being paid every month. I'm trying to work my way to being paid every month. So right now it's every 4th month. It depends. But right now it's every 4 months because my views are getting low, and well, something did happen with the rates of Google. It did give us a rate higher than before, so even my views are low. My revenue, stayed the same. I can get the threshold like every 2.5 months. So basically it's just 3 months, right? So on the 4th month, that will be my payout. Okay, so what happening was May, June, July, so 3 months, right? That's what I said. I already got my threshold and I have over $100 there. Okay, and then August I had a payout too by the end of the month, and it was transferred on the 11th. When I checked my account, that the August revenue I have was already reflected on Google AdSense. When I made a switch to $120, I was thinking maybe I can get the whole entire thing, but lo and behold, it's not. So what happened was I only got to pay from May, June, July. That's it, only 3 months, and the 4th month, which was August, was not covered. Okay, so I still have a remaining balance in my Google AdSense account. If you are going to make a change on your payment threshold, make it at the end of the month. Don't do it on the first week or the second week. Don't do it, because it will only reflect the minimum threshold that you have on the previous month, not the current month. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helps you, or at least give you some information on how to change your payment threshold and how often you want to make a change. Okay, so if you want me to talk another more about Google AdSense and what stuff and what to look for or whatever it is, comment down below, give me a like if you like this video, share this video if you want. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.